I got some golden berries from the market and we're going to be planting the seeds. I'm going to do the easy is good school of thought, and we're going to be cutting it up and taking the gooey, sticky seeds and putting them right on top of some soil and growing them. Let's cut this open and get our seeds. There's lots of seeds in there, and you can possibly buy these online. It smells really good, by the way. If you buy them online, they'll be nice and dry and you can control them. But if you get them from the store, it's going to be, you know, just in all this gushy stuff here. And that's no problem. We're just going to put that right on the soil. This is pre-moistened potting soil. Now I'm just scooping out all the seeds, and we can always thin these out later. And that's what we're going to be doing actually, because there's a lot of seeds in each berry, and I'm going to use half a berry worth of seeds in each starter container here. I'm just going to kind of spread this out as evenly as possible, and now I'm going to coat it with a thin layer of soil. Give it a bit more water. And to help retain soil moisture and to give it a nice humid environment, we're going to place our starter container in a bag and seal it up. And I'm going to do this with 4 little pots. It's been 1 week. Let's check out our golden berries. We've got lots of sprouts already. These are doing great too, though this container doesn't seem to have as many sprouts. It's been only 2 weeks, and let me take these starter containers out of the bag and show you what's going on. Look at all these sprouts. There's too many sprouts. This is absolutely crazy. Remember, this is from 1 berry. These are the starter containers from the second berry. I'm going to take them out and show you. Look at all those sprouts. This is amazing. So, from 1 seed, if you wanted, you could use many containers and get a lot of sprouts. I mean, you could start an entire farm from 1 seed. Just really incredible. The most difficult part is thinning them out. I'll be growing these in pots until they flower and produce fruit. And I'm going to be making another video about that. And so eventually I will put a link in the description below. These are really easy and fun to grow, and I do encourage you to do this, especially if you have fresh seeds. Please support my channel by leaving a comment, tick that like button, and of course subscribe to my channel. Happy gardening, everyone. Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!